Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for an exciting opportunity to kickstart your career in business operations? So Unisys is hiring for a junior analyst, and this is your chance to land into such a company in Bangalore, India. So stay tuned for all the details for this amazing role, and don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for further notes to stay ahead in your career. And also we post 3 plus job updates on this particular YouTube channel, so do subscribe to it. And let's start now. So Unisys is basically a global leader in technology solutions, and it provide it's power the breakthrough for leading organizations and across various industries. And they are currently hiring for the role of junior analyst business operation in Bangalore. So, what success looks like for this particular role? So, you will be assisting in pre-sales and post-sales activities, including client sale proposals and contract reviews. So, this is all going to be your roles and responsibilities. As you can see on your screen, you will be assisting, as I just mentioned. Along with that, you will also be involved into managing the vendor interactions, including coordinating negotiations, etc., supporting the stakeholders in business forecasting, like you will be involved into forecasting business needs, creating charts, graphs, insights, drawing insights and reporting it to stakeholders. You will be handling long-term business planning as well, along with the cash flow forecast and client maintenance contract. So you have to involve into day-to-day life will be into dealing with the clients, maintaining the relationship with the client, providing them insights and the solutions for their problems, and collaborating with international teams as well to interact with clients when as needed. So you might have to interact with the foreign clients as well, along with the maybe Indian clients or foreign clients. So, and also in this role, you will have to be open to work in any shift based on business need, because sometimes you might have to work for night shift, evening shift as well. And you have to get involved into automations, AI-driven solutions, and digital transformation initiatives. So all these are going to be your success. Looks like, I mean, kind of roles and responsibilities at this particular organization. And now let's come to the required skill set that they have mentioned over here, as you can check. So technical skill they have mentioned is you should have the knowledge of MS Office, kind of the combination of MS Office, which is Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and MS Team, along with the advanced Excel and dashboarding and SQL. So they have mentioned dashboarding in Excel, which is you can do through with the help of pivot and all in Excel, or you can even do with the Power BI as well. So soft skill also they want you like a strong email etiquette. You should have a very good knowledge of writing the professional email, and very good communication skill as well, and presentation skill for stakeholders, because you have to interact with clients, so you must have the very good presentation skill to present your ideas to the stakeholders. So bonus skill they have mentioned is that you should have a, if you're having a Python and Power BI knowledge, then this is going to be a plus, because this is the technical skills which they are actually possessing. So if you have this skill, the chances of you getting shortlisted for this role it would increase. So that's it all about the requirements. And why once you join Unisys? So basically Unisys is an equal opportunity employer, and they're committed to diversity and inclusion. They also empower the employees to excel in dynamic global environments with cutting edge technologies and innovation driven projects. So do apply to this particular role. I'll be mentioning the link for the same in the description. Also join our WhatsApp group and community channels for it, because we are sending 5 to 10 jobs daily out there. So that you never miss any job opportunities from our end. And the application deadline for this particular role is going to be on 20th April. So you have plenty of time, but the sooner the better, as I always mention in my each videos. So apply as soon as possible. Try to apply by today or tomorrow, because soon as you apply, the chances of getting shortlisted will increase. So that's it. If this opportunity excites you, go ahead and apply today. Also, let me know in the comment section what kind of jobs you are looking for, so I can bring more opportunities in your way. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Forge Onwards for daily job updates. And stay motivated and keep pushing forward. See you in the next video.